In this video, I will show you how to connect your email management accounts to the app. With this feature, all the emails collected from Messenger Quick Reply or users sign up will be automatically added to your desired email list on any of these apps. There are 5 email autoresponders are integrated: MailChimp, Sendinblue, Acel, Mautic, ActiveCampaign. Let's see how to connect each one of them. First, go to the API settings in the left sidebar. Look for the Email Autoresponder API section and click on the tool you wish to connect. Let's start with MailChimp. Click the Add Account button. A pop-up window will appear to put the API key. To obtain it, enter your MailChimp account. Click on your username at the top right corner, and in the display menu, select Account. Go to Extras, then API Keys. Copy the key, and go back to our app. Paste it. Then, add a tracking name, so that you can recognize it later and save. Go back to the API Keys page. Now, we will connect Sendinblue, so click on it, then on the Add Account button. Now go to your Sendinblue account. Click on your username at the top right corner, and in the display menu, select SMTP and API. Click on Create New API Key, give it a name and generate. Look for it, copy it, and go back to our app. Once again, paste the API key in the corresponding box, add a tracking name and save. For Mautic, the process is a bit different. Go back to API settings, click on it, and then on the Add Account button. A pop-up window will appear. Open your Mautic account. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner, and in the display menu, select Configuration. Tap on API settings, enable the API and the HTTP basic auth, and save. Back in your dashboard, copy the top URL and go back to our app. Paste the Mautic base URL, type your username and password, and finally, give it a name so that you can recognize it later. ActiveCampaign has similar steps. Click on it, then on Add Account to open the modal form where you can provide your API data. Now go to your ActiveCampaign account. Click on Settings at the left sidebar. Go to the Developer section, where you will find the API URL and key. Paste them in the corresponding boxes, provide a tracking name, and save. Finally, we will integrate Acel. Click on it and then on Add Account to open the modal form. Open Acel. Click on your username at the top right corner and in the display menu, select API. Scroll down. There you will find the API URL by the name of API endpoint and below, the token or key. Fill in the corresponding fields, add a tracking name and save. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.